Welcome to a world of hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, and unforgettable journeys, where the adventure begins and the only thing you need to pack is your sense of wanderlust. And that means adventure time. Whether you're hitting the slopes, exploring a snow-covered city, or just braving the daily freeze, you've got to be prepped. Packing for winter can be a real beast, though, trust me, I've been there. Too many clothes, not enough space, and ending up with a bag that feels like you're carrying a small elephant. But it doesn't have to be that way. Over the years, I've picked up some serious packing hacks and gear recommendations that'll have you conquering winter like a pro. So if you're ready to ditch the packing stress and embrace the chill, stick around. This video is your one-stop shop for all things winter travel. Let's get you geared up and ready to explore. All right, let's talk layers. Think of it like building a fortress against the cold. Your base layer is key merino wool or synthetic fabrics are your best friends here. They wick away moisture so you stay dry, which is crucial when you're battling freezing temps. Plus, they're super lightweight and pack down easily. Next up, your mid-layer is all about insulation. Fleece is a classic for a reason. It's warm, comfy, and dries fast. Down jackets are another awesome option, especially for really frigid conditions. They pack down small, but their warmth-to-weight ratio is insane. And lastly, your outer shell. This is your shield against the elements. Wind, snow, you name it. Look for a waterproof, breathable jacket that'll keep you dry without trapping sweat. Remember, layering is all about adaptability. You can shed layers as needed, so you're never too hot or too cold. Okay, for my hikers and outdoor adventurers, this one's for you. When you're trekking through snow and ice, having the right gear can make or break your trip. First and foremost, you need a solid pair of insulated, waterproof hiking boots. Look for boots with good ankle support and aggressive tread to handle slippery surfaces. And trust me, don't skimp on the socks. Merino wool socks are a game changer. They're breathable, moisture-wicking, and will keep your feet warm even if they get wet. Next, trekking poles. They might seem optional, but they're lifesavers on icy trails, providing extra stability and balance. Gaiters are another must. They attach to your boots and prevent snow from sneaking in, keeping your feet dry and toasty. And don't forget about crampons. These are metal spikes that attach to your boots, giving you insane traction on icy terrain. Lastly, always pack extra layers when you're hiking in the cold. Temperature can fluctuate wildly, and it's better to be over-prepared than caught out in the elements without enough warmth. All right, let's talk accessories, the unsung heroes of winter travel. First up, gloves. Don't even think about leaving home without them. Insulated, waterproof gloves are a must, and I always pack an extra pair just in case. And remember, your hands lose heat super fast, so keep those fingers covered. Next, your head. You lose a ton of body heat through your head, so a warm hat is non-negotiable. Look for something that covers your ears and is made from wool or fleece. And don't forget about a neck gaiter or scarf. It'll keep your neck and face protected from the wind and cold. Finally, sunglasses. Yeah, I know it's winter, but the sun reflecting off the snow can be blinding. Plus, sunglasses add an extra layer of protection from windburn. Now let's get real about packing. Nobody wants to lug around a massive suitcase, right? The key is to pack smart. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer. It saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. Packing cubes are also a lifesaver. They compress your clothes and keep everything organized. When it comes to shoes, stuff them with socks and underwear to maximize space and prevent them from getting crushed. And here's a pro tip: pack heavier items at the bottom of your suitcase. This helps distribute weight evenly and prevents your bag from toppling over. And remember, less is more. Choose versatile clothing items that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're breezing through the airport with a lightweight bag. All right, let's talk about those little extras that can make a world of difference in your winter travel game. First up, hand warmers. These are lifesavers, especially if you're spending a lot of time outdoors. Just crack open a pack, stick them in your gloves or pockets, and enjoy the instant warmth. Next, a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in cold weather, and a travel thermos is a game changer. Fill it with your favorite hot beverage, coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and stay cozy on the go. And finally, don't underestimate the power of entertainment. Pack a book, download some podcasts or movies, and make sure you have a portable charger for your phone. There's nothing worse than being bored and freezing your butt off. There you have it, your complete guide to winter travel packing. I hope these tips help you stay warm, organized, and prepared for whatever adventures winter throws your way. Remember, packing doesn't have to be stressful. With a little planning and the right gear, you'll be conquering the cold in no time. Now get out there, explore, and make some epic winter memories. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks, and drop a comment below letting me know what your winter travel plans are. Stay warm, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next one.